River to Sea Suspend 88, just a little jerk bait and kind of a ghost minnow color, shad color. This lake is pretty much a spotted bass fishery now. It's been taken over by it. It's got some largemouth in here, but mainly spotted bass. There are some good ones in here. Probably the biggest one I've caught's been about 3.5, almost 4 pounds. And there's some really big largemouth if you find one. But this bait is probably the best consistent bait if you're a guy that likes to throw rip baits at San Pablo Reservoir. This thing's amazing. I've had like 50 fish days just on this. I've caught all my bigger ones on this bait, and it just depends. You gotta kind of vary it up. I also throw a Rapala X-Rap depending on the size they want. If they want a little bit bigger rip bait than this, I'll throw the X-Rap. But most days this ghost minnow, when the water's kind of clear like it is today, it's about actually 70 degrees water temperature. Last time I was here it was like 63, so it's been working. I caught a couple on it this morning, little small guys, but this point coming up right here, just throwing it across points. This point is probably one of the better spots on this lake, especially when there's shad, and there's a few shad around still, but even when not, it still works. So let's give it a try and see what happens. There he is, right off that point. Like a good one. So spotted bass. Everybody, one of the keys you catch spotted bass is typically I'm going to throw them back. I'll put them in your live well because once you get that spool fired up, you can get them on back-to-back cast really quick. But there's a nice little San Pablo spotted bass, kind of a small guy, but they do get a lot bigger in here than this. Right off that point, about 8-9 feet of water, it comes up to like 4, and as soon as that deflected off some rocks down there, he just nailed it. Throw back in there, see if it's there, and that's when we really pick those fish off. So, the school is there, just not the right size. You can see his little guy. There he is, right off that point again. Yeah, just a little guy, but crankbait. Bass jump? What? God, he ate that thing. So there definitely up a little shallow. Look at this little guy. Look how he ate that in the top of his head. Little Strike King KVD square bill 1.5 crawdad color. Little spotted bass. Feels like a better one, but spotted bass, I never know. Oh yeah, better fish. Finally. Not that much better. Again though, he ate it. Look at him. Got the front hook. Fat little guy. Another little one. Get him back off the bait. This guy.